Introducing the Advantage 2 contoured ergonomic keyboard from Kinesis. With mechanical key switches, onboard programmability, keyboard separation, keyboard tinting, and switchable between Windows, Mac, and PC. The Advantage 2's design and layout works with your body to help address all common major risk factors that can lead to keyboard-related repetitive strain injuries, including ulnar deviation. Split key wells position hands at shoulder width to keep wrists straight. Concave key wells place hands and fingers in a relaxed position. Vertical key arrangement mirrors the natural motion of fingers. Thumb clusters transfer workload from the weaker pinkies to stronger thumbs. Wrist extension. Integrated palm supports promote neutral wrist position and protect your wrists from any surface contact. Optional cushioned palm pads are included. Forearm pronation. Built-in tenting to reduce forearm tension for a more neutral typing posture. Excessive mouse reach. The 10-keyless layout results in a smaller footprint for closer mouse placement, and an embedded 10-key provides easy access to the number pad. The Advantage 2 utilizes premium Cherry MX low-force mechanical key switches, offering incredible comfort, performance, and unmatched durability. Choose between Cherry Brown tactile key switches or Cherry Red quiet linear force key switches. The onboard Smart Set programming engine allows you to easily remap keys, create macros, and custom layouts. All custom settings are saved directly to the keyboard's onboard memory without requiring the use of clunky software or drivers. Custom modes are available for Mac, Windows, and PC modifiers, as well as a native Dvorak layout. To learn more about Kinesis products or find a dealer, please visit kinesis.com.